Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let's see what's coming up, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation and your love energies, Cancers. So these are for your daily energy, Cancers. I'll be picking two cards for your career situation and love energy, guys. So for your career situation, we will pick one card from this deck, and for your love reading, one more card, guys. So this is for your career situation, Cancers, and this is for your love reading, and one card from the Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck. So this card is a general guidance, what we can do to make things go in a very harmonious way, guys, in our day-to-day life. So we will open these cards now, Cancers. It's the Death, Ace of Cups in reverse, Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation today, Cancers, you are seeing some changes happening, some kind of transitions happening in your situation. All those things that you felt was not working for you, you are leaving all that, letting go of your past and moving forward with your life, guys. Some major changes are happening in your life. So this may be in your career situation or in your personal life, guys, and you have fear, you are afraid of some choices that you have made, and you are having people whom you work with who cannot be trusted, who are not reliable. So some kind of stressful situations are there in your situation, guys. This may relate to your career or your personal life. So there are people who cannot be trusted and they are there with you, and you feel fear or you are afraid because of them, because of how they handle any situation. So it may not be according to your wishes. So something may go against you, you may feel. So that is also the thing here, guys. So people who are not to be trusted are there in your situation today. And though you may feel that in your situation you may have certain things according to your likes, maybe the certain success in your career or certain success in your personal life, but in certain circumstances you may feel these people you are in relationship with or in your work, whoever you are working with, they are not giving you the whole picture. So they are hiding something, not telling you the truth in about certain things. Again, that may be the reason for these cards, guys, and you are seeing some major changes. Maybe you are changing it in your personal life or in your career. So let us see what is the card for your personal sorry, guys, this is for career, for your career situation. What is the card? It is a Six of Stars, guys. So with this card we saw transition with this card, the previous card. So again this points out to some kind of move or journey. It may literally mean a journey. Maybe you are traveling to some place, some other different place, a different city or state for work, or it may mean a move away from some ideas, something which is not useful for you today. So you are giving that up today and you are taking up that new choice, whatever is coming towards you, guys. So that is what I see with this card here. Cancer. So in your career you are making some important changes, so some ideas or some methods of your work, you are changing it because it is not working for your benefit, guys. That is what I see with this card. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's the Hangman. With this card in your relationship, guys, it may point out that you are changing yourself, you are getting a hang of things, understanding what you need to do today in your situation, guys. So what is your action? You may get new insight, what is your plan, and you are changing yourself. Maybe for some of you it may be some addictions that you had in your past and you are trying to overcome it, guys, today. So those addictions may not be troubling you still because you are changing from it. That is what I see. And you are accepting the changes that are coming in your life today, guys. Some major changes you're making to yourself, and you are accepting. You have that willingness, acceptance in your heart to accept that mistakes you have, or this may be your person's energy. They are willing to change for you or for this connection. That is what I see with this card, guys. Cancer. So let us see what is your oracle's guidance for you all today. This card, oracle card, it just means that you are entering into a productive and enriching time today, guys. So it just means that in order to enjoy that success, you have to exchange your experience and skills. So have that commitment, put your heart and soul into action. So that is what this card is about. So when you pursue something in life with that concentration and determination, you will see that things are moving, pushing you towards abundance and success, guys. So that is what I see with this card for your situation, guys. So this may relate your career situation and your personal life situation. And that is the reading for you all, Cancers. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.